Vegangsta, Vegangsta.
Guys, make sure to check out all channels. I just launched a new video on Vegangsta, and our other channels are named Lads Toys TV and Lad and Dad TV. Make sure you go and check them out. There are really cool videos waiting for you on them channels.
So Vegangsta. So what we have here to do for you today is a new Vego. Can you set up on? New Vego White Ball Almond Bliss it's called. So Vego, as you know, has been a popular make, vegan make, and they make a chocolate with hazelnut chocolate. And now they've decided to make a white chocolate one, and Lad's going to try it and give it marks.
Well, Vegangsta
here. Try this. So there it is. I think it's got almond bits in it. Try it. Taste test. So what would you give it? What's out of 10?
8. You like the almond bits in it?
Yeah, almond bits in it. No. So, guys, it's got almond bits in it. Lads don't like it. I'm going to try it. I'm going to try it now. Once I get it open. It's thinner than the other Vego bar, or Vego, whatever you want to call it. It's thinner. You can see the almond bits in it there. Little bits of almond. I'm going to try it. It's a lot thinner, in fact, than the other one. Let's try. Doesn't really taste as much. Doesn't really taste of much of anything really. But I do. The almond bits on it. The almond bits on it are a bit too small and a bit gritty.
Yeah.
So there's a bit like gritty kind of thing in your mouth. As for the chocolate itself, it's white chocolate. And yeah, doesn't really taste much, but I'm going to give this a 7, maybe 6 out of 10. I prefer the other Vego bar with the hazelnut.
You need less than me then?
Yeah, right.